Good morning and welcome to the AM News with me, Mapita Sibidi. Now, in our first story, the minority in Parliament wants government to act swiftly to halt the increasing number of positive Covid-19 cases being recorded at the K.I.A International Airport. Ranking member on Parliament's Health Committee, Kobina Minta Akando, attributes the alarming rates to poor testing or fake results from the travellers. He also cautioned against asking Covid-19 patients to self-quarantine, arguing it could contribute to a spike in the cases. The Member of Parliament for Joboaso, who is asking government to consider travel restrictions on countries currently experiencing high Covid-19 infections, insists government must shut down the airport should the trend persist.
If you recall, we started recording cases, I think about 2 cases from that same K.I.A International Airport, and that has brought us this far. You know, the virus is an important one. It's not, the Covid-19 disease is not, a Ghanaian disease. It was imported. And therefore, there's a need for us to check our various borders. That is one of the precautions we must not joke with. And so constantly there has been this test at the K.I.A International Airport, irrespective of where you are coming from. And we have realized, and we are picking information that within the last week, there's an alarming rate of increase in the number of positive cases. I mean, within a day, they could record as many as 75 cases within the day. And if you record 75 cases and you let them go out there, the multiplying effect is huge. And that's why we are drawing government's attention that, look, the rate at which they are recording the cases, the positive cases, we need to do something about it urgently.
What is the something?
Number one, we need to ask certain questions. Number one, before you are allowed to travel, you need to do the test. And then you submit the results at your destination. Now, people come, they submit their negative results at their destination, and they are tested again, and they turn positive. So what could happen? Is it the case that they were infected through, their transit? Or is it the case that we must doubt the authenticity of the results they submitted from their country of origin? What could be the problem? So we must look at that carefully and then find solutions to it. Number 2, if we check the trend and the increase of the number of cases is still alarming, then we must try to impose certain traveling restrictions. Even if even if there's the need for us to close the K.I.A International Airport again, we must do so.
So we can, government should consider.
They should consider. Let's look at the trend for the next 1 week.
The airport.
Yes, let's look at the trend for the next 1 week. If we consider the trend for the next 1 week, and in a day, for example, we are recording about 200 cases from outside the country, why would we open our borders? Why?
Its implications and its effect on the economy.
Of course, I know, but I don't think you mean the health of the people or the lives of the people are less important as compared to the economy. The economy is there to help the people live well in the country. So the people must survive before they know anything like economy. So the health of the people is paramount. It's paramount.